it is time to be paying attention to Ethereum. We are on the cusp of the biggest upgrade to the Ethereum network, the most impactful upgrade to the Ethereum network in its entire history. And things are looking very interesting for this asset for the rest of 2022. In today's video, I'll be breaking all of that down for you. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing. If that is a topic you like staying up to date with, if you do like learning about cryptocurrencies, a quick tap on the old thumbs up button would be super freaking awesome to show your support for this kind of content. By the way, every single week my team and I produce Wealth Masteries, a cryptocurrency investor report designed to help keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-moving market. We have altcoin reviews, DeFi tutorials, airdrop updates, the hottest token sales, NFT mints, and much, much more. You can sign up using the link down below in the description to get started for free. Now, let's get into this topic. So, as this article says, Ethereum price on track for massive breakout as the network prepares for the merge. The merge is coming. The merge is the move from proof of work to proof of stake. Now, we have a proof of stake network already running for Ethereum. That is, where people have been locking up their Ethereum to earn staking rewards. That's the ETH 2.0 staking contract. People have already been earning rewards over there. However, the ETH 2.0 network is not operational at this point. The merge flips off the switch for proof of work forever and flips on the switch for proof of stake. Big, big deal for Ethereum. And here's an even bigger deal. We have just had a successful deployment of the merge on the Ethereum testnet. So this is the final merge testnet before the upgrade is actually deployed live to public testnets later on. So this is a big move in the right direction for the Ethereum merge. It's coming. It's not that far away from coming to life. Now, the earlier estimates put this at happening sometime in June. We're now in March. 90 days away. We could be, but don't go holding your breath waiting for Ethereum to deliver its technology on time. We have had quite a few delays in the past. But if we do see it in June, man, that's super exciting. 3 months from now, we could all be transacting on a proof of stake Ethereum. And look, this is massively consequential for the network for a variety of big reasons. As Adriano breaks down here, we have a 90% Ethereum reduction. So this is the so-called triple halving that is coming in. So every 4 years for Bitcoin, the supply that's emitted in new blocks is reduced by 50%. Well, Ethereum is going to do a 90% supply reduction, which is the equivalent of 3 Bitcoin halvings. That's massive for the issuance of Ethereum, because remember, we're burning Ethereum on every transaction right now, so we'll see this actually going into a negative issuance territory. We're also going to see a 99.9% network operating cost reduction. So right now, Ethereum is using huge amounts of energy, the equivalent of a small country, essentially. It's way too much. With the current conversations about what's going to be best for the environment moving forward and stuff like that, et cetera, let's just move to a network that requires less energy, right? And even if you're powering Ethereum with renewables, you're powering Bitcoin with renewables, you still have a lot of e-waste. You still have renewable energy that maybe it could be going towards something else. Ethereum is going to solve all of those conversation points by moving to proof of stake and basically going from the energy requirements of a small country to the energy requirements of a 2,000 person population small American town. Big, big difference. We're also going to see the staking yield increasing for stakers as we see actually network fees for transactions coming in and being paid out to people staking in the Ethereum 2.0 network. So a lot of very, very big things happening with the merge. It's incredibly impactful as an event. Now, this is all happening, all the excitement around the merge, what the merge actually means in reality, at a time when we are seeing huge amounts of Ethereum exiting exchanges. People are buying it, taking it, staking it, or buying NFTs with it also. They're also doing that. People love their NFTs. Of course, we all love JPEGs of monkeys and stuff like that around here. JPEGs are a good time after all. But anyway, we saw 30% of all Ethereum withdrawals from exchanges that we've seen in 2022 happen just earlier this week. The amount of Ethereum on exchanges keeps hitting the lowest levels since 2018. So you can see here, just move myself over there real quick. So the blue line here, exchange balance of Ethereum. We saw it just hit a new low right here, 18.3%. We have 27.6% of Ethereum in smart contracts. We can see right down here, 18.3%. Up here, 27.6% of Ethereum in smart contracts. So that means people are using it in DeFi and stuff like this, using it to take loans, using it for farming, etc., etc. The amount of Ethereum on exchanges just keeps falling. That's pretty damn incredible if you ask me. All this exciting stuff happening at a time when the supply just keeps falling. People keep on gobbling up and holding on to their Ethereum. Now, I wanted to show you this here. This is ultrasound.money, a website that tracks the total amount of Ethereum which has been burnt thanks to the EIP 1559 upgrade. We can see we have now passed the 2 million Ethereum benchmark, which is, man, that's a lot of Ethereum that has been burnt. Absolute crazy stuff right there. On average, we've been burning 6 Ethereum a minute ever since we flipped that new upgrade on, which it's been some months now. A little over half a year, I think. We've been burning crazy amounts of Ethereum, so already 2 million Ethereum burnt. Now, one thing I want to point out here for you is that on ultrasound.money, they allow you to simulate what it would be like with the merge in terms of total supply. So right now, the inflation rate of Ethereum, the supply growth of Ethereum, has gone down to 1.9%. So we've almost reduced the supply growth of Ethereum by half, because before it was around 3.4%, something like that, if I remember correctly. Now it's around 1.9%. But here is what it would look like when we have done the merge, moved to proof of stake. We're going to be looking at 2.2% a year negative supply growth. So we're going to go into a negative supply growth area. That's absolute craziness, man. We're going to be burning more Ethereum than we are creating. You can see the issuance here will go down to 0.5 million a year from its current 5.4 million a year. Big, big reduction coming in, which all speaks very favorably, in my opinion, to the economics of Ethereum moving forward. It's deflationary, it pays out a yield, and it gives you exposure to everything happening in the Ethereum space. You like NFTs, buy Ethereum. You like DeFi, buy Ethereum. You want to capture the growth of stablecoins, buy Ethereum. You like Ethereum, buy Ethereum. You can do all of those things. We also see increasing institutional interest, as Crypto Gucci points out here. The number of SEC filings showing Ethereum institutional interest is at near all-time highs. So you can see here the number of institutional filings here that are talking about Ethereum. That is people, looking to incorporate one way or another Ethereum into their businesses. It's a big deal. The money's coming. The technology is upgrading. Ethereum has, in my opinion, never looked better, which is why I am holding my ETH, staking my ETH, earning yield on my ETH, and hodling it for the future. I believe that the best days of Ethereum are ahead of it. But you will let me know your opinion down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.